First generation Murano was design revolution. Second generation capitalized on perceived quality, it was more evolutionary. With this third generation now, we try to combine, again, a new design revolution, but capitalize on the perceived quality, the quality of materials that the second generation. The show car Resonance, which was presented in Detroit Motor Show last year, looks very much like this vehicle, which created a lot of engineering challenges. I mean, the shapes, especially the rear fender, is quite complex to stamp. But if you were to put the two vehicles side by side, they look very much like each other.
We're starting from this V motion and then goes through the body. It's one very big dynamic movement at the front. This fender line itself is a very powerful fender, line, and then goes through the body. It's really, strong flow of this design. The other, the movement is coming from the, door panels and then having the nice rear, good stance for the rear fender area as well.
What is exceptional with this vehicle for such a big car, the CD is 0.31, which is in fact extremely close to the Nissan 370Z. The seats, in fact, are derived from the NASA zero gravity seats that we've already used in the Altima and in Rogue. For Murano, we went one step further, so we've used those seats for the front, but also for the rear seats. The moonroof that is available on this vehicle compared to the previous generation has increased dramatically in size and in opening. Both have been improved by roughly 30%. One side of the technology is dedicated is entertainment on board with the Navi Connect that now operates basically with apps, with widgets. Technology is dedicated to safety. Safety shield technologies to create a shield around the vehicle to avoid collisions.
I think overall it's still very futuristic design. So again, it's more like spaceship. You land in the load, but inside is completely different world, and luxuries and high tech and aerial feeding, and the exterior is very artistic and dynamic, yet very sophisticated. It's like a future spaceship.
It looked like a show car, so it makes a statement. You're going to love it every time you look at it. Interior is very well designed, very convenient, very comfortable. Technology is omnipresent, but without being intrusive. So it's a technology that, again, you can operate like a smartphone, and it will protect you as best as it can through the safety shield technologies.